We're walking through how to set up and configure a generator for use with the Fortress Power Solo Inverter. For this demonstration, we're using a Honda generator equipped with a 2-wire start kit, which will be referenced throughout the video. Before starting, follow all local codes, manufacturer guidelines, and safety procedures. Verify all powers off, inverter is fully de-energized, proper PPE is used, and generators installed outdoors in a ventilated, code-compliant location. Improper wiring can result in damaging the inverter and unsafe operation. For use with a Fortress Power Solo Inverter, the generator voltage output must match the voltage output of the Solo Inverter. In installations where only 120-volt generator output is available, a Polaris plug is required to bridge line 1 and line 2 at the Solo Inverter's generator input. Confirm the generator is set to 120 volts only. Install the Polaris plug to bridge line 1 and line 2 and verify all connections are secure. For the purpose of this video, we'll be using 120-240 volts. This generator requires a 2-wire start kit that is separate from the generator if you would like the Solo Inverter to automatically start it. Next, we'll connect the 2-wire start control, which allows the Solo Inverter to automatically manage the generator. Start by locating the 2-wire start terminals on the Solo Inverter. From there, run a low-voltage control cable to the generator. Connect the start and common wire to the inverter. Keep in mind, without a 2-wire start kit installed, automatic control won't be available. Now, we'll connect the generator to the inverter. For standard operation, the Solo supports 120-240 volt split-phase input. First, verify the generator is set to 120-240 volts. Then connect line 1, line 2, neutral, and ground to the Solo's generator input terminals. Torque all connections to the manufacturer's specifications, and confirm grounding and bonding are completed per code. Make sure conductor sizing matches system ratings, and the neutral is properly landed. You may energize the inverter following the correct commissioning procedure. Once wiring is complete, configure the inverter to operate with the generator. Power on the Solo Inverter and navigate to the generator settings menu. The inverter will start the generator based on the battery's state of charge. To set this, go to parameter number 61 and adjust the generator start SOC. Finally, set the end charge SOC. That covers generator setup with the Solo Inverter. For more information, visit fortresspower.com.